We find inspiration from people who do wonders in our country and communities. Mpumalanga, you are on Spotlight. All abafethu, it's Zakes the VIP. It's been a while ngagcina recorder anything to do with social media, but here I am today. It's been kungiloko nje, hectic now and then, working and stuff. It is what it is. But I've got smaller than a period of time because gezi to yenza amaholo. You all know ukuthi we don't have gezi in South Africa. It seems as if it's plaka kamakhelwane. In 3 minutes gone. Load shedding, it's our daily bread. But tangiko lapho, we find inspiration from people who do wonders in our country and communities. Ijalo ke izaba. Here is the thing. We have Usfiso as a gospel music artist. He's a solo artist. We've got Usfiso as a solo artist, a music producer, a songwriter, a voice-over artist, a content creator, event organizer, a marketing agent and brand ambassador. But asikho kuloko namhla sila. Usfiso as establish a studio sakhe enzaweni yaseMatsulu around Masipala wala eMbombela. And he's been trending, sharing ukuthi yena all artist lelifunzile. Ungangithathi kabi. All artist lelifunzile. Nayinzaba. What is important on this one is this. Owning what you have. It's important, guys. It's very much important. Owning what you have. Sfiso as utibita ngel artist lelifunzile because he's well educated musically, so he's well educated about the music business. That is why ne-courage ukuthi akhe studio, he had it on his heart. Not ukuthi wendele studio because afuna impress someone what, but it's all on his heart ukuthi and the way ending ngakhona. So namhla makabahlaba athi baculi ababalele inkomazi this inkomazi that. Yeah, wena ungayithatha ngendlela yakho kabi okahle okanjani. Mine I look at it ngendlela le right. Yeah, kona vele ubutshani lobulele buvuswa ngemlilo. Ngeke uyibuka kwami from a distance. Empumalanga ilele. Months ago, we had, who's this guy? VK Simba. He was dissing Jay Speed. For a short period, it trended and traffic on their craft. Bait me said. It was serious. Everyone was talking about them. But all of a sudden, boom, gone. Now we have Tsipa Over. I don't know who is beefing with Ganjan from Enkomas. I can't say on a hip hop level, but the way ngakhona. I think that boy who based Guma piano and Afrobeat kind of, but asikho lapho. Sfiso as a gospel artist. Wenda gonge on gospel. But nayinzaba. My artists asenkomazi lawo nalawo. I don't know them that much, my artists asenkomazi. Hence I'm from Enkomazi, but never mind that. So, what I'm trying to say is this. Let us put the effort on what we are doing. So kusasa stokhona kuba proud. Today he is proud in such a way ukuthi uze yena utiqobile. Athi from now on I'm Dr. Sfiso S. How crazy is that? But all in all, it's because of the passion lanayo, because of good dedicator kwakhe on what he's doing. I think Mpumalanga as a whole, never mind Nkomazi Mbombela, what, Mpumalanga as a whole, we must celebrate and we must be proud of Bantu labafana na Sfiso S. Sfiso S, I know, and okay, let me put it this way. I really wish to visit your studio. I'm not a gospel artist. I'm an actor. Yeah. But yahlangana yonke lento all in one. So inje izaba I will try by all means to communicate with you, Mr. Sfiso S or Dr. Sfiso S, and come and visit your studios. All I can say at this moment, bra, big up. Ngikuthulela sigcoko. Noma ngangibani lofuna ukumelana nawe, because you know ukuthi into lesiyendako kungabi nomuntu lokhuluma la ngaphandle. We'll talk up until kuze kubuye Jesu. When the wrong sitawukhuluma, when the right sitawukhuluma. I've heard you saying ukuthi there were artists before you who were gatekeeping in terms of funding together with government and stuff. I don't wanna get there that much, but even now, they were facing my challenges. Let me now sing what. Now you will face my challenges. Landlula omhlambe lamancane ngidlula laba ndlule kuwo. Laba lebe ba phambi kwakho while you were still growing up. But mean all I can say, bra, big up. Yinhle lento. Owning what you have, it's important. Danke Poza yami. Salute.